Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
It is now December 11 and today's clue is the luck of the Irish. So yeah, I think there's not gonna be much hesitation about where it is. In the corner here we find, yeah, there we have it, some 4-leaf clovers and well, let's just call it a leprechaun. I guess that's what it's supposed to be. Well, as you remember, while we open this up, oh, it says 12. Nobody saw that. Nobody saw that.
Ja, fast det är ju fel på kalendern. Det är ju klart att det är den som är irländska. Det var ju krångel med den förra också, men sånt där.
I'm leaving that in, just so you know.
Ingen kommer förstå vad jag säger.
Okay, so basically we have an expert opinion that there is something wrong with the calendar. So this is correct. This is 11. Imagine that it says 11 here. Okay? Agreed? And what do we find? We find salted caramel stout. Well, I look forward to that almost as much as I look forward to going to the dentist. Well, let's try it out. So, after 1 hour in the freezer and 1 second for you, let's have a look. Oh my god! This actually tastes caramel. It's like, you know, when you have ice cream and the sauce on top of it, what's it called in English? Cola sauce in Swedish. Learn Swedish. Oh god, this is horrible.